Since you're watching this video right now, I need you to pause for a moment and just take a breath with me. Because if you're watching this video, I already know something about you. I already know that you've been carrying this quiet ache in your chest, and you've been replaying moments you wish you could erase. And you've been wondering in your heart and your body, will I ever feel whole again? And I want to say this clearly, lovingly, and without hesitation. Your body didn't fail you. You did not fail. You were not broken, and this year does not define your future in motherhood. Stay with me, because in this video, I'm going to help you understand exactly how to begin healing your heart, reconnecting with your body, and entering the next year with hope, real hope, after this loss. This isn't going to be a video about forcing positivity. This is about truth. The truth that you can set your heart free and prepare your body for the baby you are still meant to hold. So let's start with what this year tried to teach you, even through the pain. I want to talk to you woman to woman, heart to heart, and this year may have felt like a betrayal by your body, a betrayal by your circumstances, betrayal by the very dream you were nurturing inside of you. And if you're anything like me, or like thousands of women who walk this path, you probably ask questions like, why is this happening to me? What did I do wrong? Is my body even capable? Will I ever get my baby? I want you to hear me. The pain you felt this year was not punishment. It wasn't a sign that motherhood isn't meant for you, and it isn't the end of your story. And sometimes the hardest seasons teach us the clearest lessons. The lesson that grief is not weakness. The lesson that slowing down is not failure. The lesson that your heart can break and still work. And the lesson that even in devastation, your hope can still survive. Not loud, not obvious, but quietly, softly, like a small light waiting for you to notice it again. So you need to understand the emotional layers, because you can't heal what you refuse to acknowledge. And miscarriage, loss, chemical pregnancy, stillbirth, they don't just happen. They leave emotional fingerprints. Some women feel sadness, some feel anger, some feel numb, some feel guilt, some feel like they're watching life through foggy glass. Some feel all of those things all at the same time. So here's what I want you to know. Your grief is valid. There is no timeline. There is no right way to heal. Your emotions don't make you weak. They make you human. They make you deserving of compassion, especially from yourself. You are allowed to hope again. Grief and hope can coexist, and they often do. This year didn't take your motherhood away. It simply revealed how deeply you desire it. And that's where healing your body and rebuilding the trust after your loss comes in. So now let's talk about your body, because I know that losing a pregnancy can change the way you see yourself physically. You might be feeling like, my body failed the baby, or something is wrong with me. I can't trust my body anymore. But listen to me. What happened was not your fault. And I can say that with such confidence because I felt all of those things, and it wasn't my fault either. Your body did not fail you. Your body survived something traumatic. And just like your heart, your body needs time. Gentle time. Loving time. Here are truths I want you to absorb. Your body still knows how to conceive. Pregnancy is not the problem. Healing is a process. Your hormones can recover. With rest, nourishment, support, your cycle can regulate again. Your body is capable of carrying again. You are not out of time. Your body is not done. You are on a path, and paths take turns, not endings. So this next year is not about fixing your body. It's about rebuilding your relationship with your body, knowing when it's speaking, listening when it whispers, and understanding what it needs, partnering with it instead of fighting it. Motherhood requires body and heart partnership, not perfection. So we're going to enter this new year with hope and no pressure. As this year ends, many women say, I should be pregnant by now, or I thought this year would be different, or thinking that they're behind, and you're not behind, you are becoming. Next year is not a deadline. Next year is your invitation, an invitation to rebuild trust, reconnect with your intuition, realign with your body, strengthen your emotional foundation, prepare your womb, physically and spiritually, for life again. You don't need a perfect plan, you just need a gentle one that supports your healing while preparing you for your next positive test. So if you want a step-by-step guide to healing after loss and preparing your heart, your body, and your spirit to conceive again, I poured everything I wish I had into the ebook Finally in My Arms. It's gentle, comforting, practical, and it walks you through the exact psychological, emotional, and physical steps to prepare for healthy pregnancy after loss. I'll leave it linked below if you want to start that journey with a little more support, confidence, and clarity. No pressure, just an invitation, a hand to hold while you get ready for your next chapter. So now that you know how to begin healing your heart and your body after this loss, I want you to remember this. You're not broken, you are not defeated, and you're not disqualified from motherhood. Your story is still unfolding, and your dream of holding your baby is still very much alive. As always, chin up, mama, straighten your crown, and let's walk in power together, because you're stronger than you know. And I'll see you in the next